Here's how to stop Snapchat from accessing contacts. First, open up Snapchat. And here, as you can see, I'm on Snapchat right now. What you need to do is just basically press on your profile right on the corner. And once you press on it here, as you can see, after that, what you need to do is just basically press on the settings icon or the gear icon on the corner. And here, you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of contacts over here. So let's just find contacts here. As you can see, right next to autofill settings, we got contacts. Just go over there, and then just basically you'll see the option of contacts if you've turned on. So mine's turned on. I don't need to turn it back off. So yeah, you just scroll down, and then you just gotta go to clear data. Press on clear data, and then you'll see the option of clear contact data. Just gotta press on it, and then you just gotta press on clear confirmed data, and then there you go. You just basically stop accessing Snapchat from your contacts. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.